But we can also create brand new pages. At the top, click on the drop down next to your current page name. In this case, it says home. We'll click into this. Then go to the bottom and click on add new page. Make sure we save our progress by clicking on save and leave. And just like before, we could create a container and add in new elements from scratch. But if we click on this starter templates plugin here, we'll have access to a bunch of different pre-made page layouts. So let's click on the starter templates plugin here. I'll find another template I like the Planet Earth template. And then I'll use the About page. Nice, and now we have a super clean About Us page. And we can edit all of the content within the page just like before. We'll also need to give this page a name. So let's go to the top and hit this gear icon here. And on the left, we'll change this page to say, Who are we? And I'm also noticing that we have this page title here. So Who are we is appearing up here at the top, and then also here on the main page. To hide your page title at the top, go back to the left and go all the way to the bottom. Then click on Hide Title. And now that title has been removed. And the last thing we want to do is make this page public. Right now you'll see that it's set to draft. To publish it, just go to the top right and click on Publish. And there we go, our page is now live. To preview our changes, let's go back to the top right here and click on this eyeball button. And that's going to open up our website in a new tab, and we can see our brand new page.